Apple has just introduced a new 9.7-inch iPad at their educational event in Chicago. The new iPad has a huge focus on schools and student productivity, with the biggest change being added support for the Apple Pencil, which schools can purchase for $10 cheaper than regular consumers. The updated iPad will also come in a new gold finish and will be available to schools for only $299 compared to $329 for the rest of us. Not only does this iPad support the Apple Pencil, but they've also announced a new, cheaper Logitech-made stylus called Crayon, which will be available for only $49. They've also announced a new rugged Logitech iPad case and keyboard combo, but there's no pricing or release date as of yet. Inside the new iPad, the processor is upgraded from the A9 in the previous model to the A10 Fusion, previously used in the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. The new chip is set to provide 40% better processor performance and 50% graphics performance in this year's release. Apple has also put a big focus on augmented reality support with this new iPad, especially in the classroom, with apps like AR Anatomy allowing you to see things like an augmented frog and its organs. Apple also unveiled the new Digital Books tool for creating media on the iPad. It'll be available in the Pages app and allow users to use the Apple Pencil to add photos, videos, illustrations, and annotations directly to books. They've also released a new ClassKit API, with older apps being updated to support it, like Swift and GarageBand. The Classroom app is also coming to Mac, so teachers can control and monitor iPad usage. Classrooms can easily share an iPad and create Apple IDs for each student. There's also a new cloud-based schoolwork app for teachers to provide assignments and handouts to students. Apple plans to release the schoolwork app in June, giving teachers time to learn how to use it best for classes. Apple has also sweetened the deal for schools by increasing the amount of free iCloud storage from 5GB to 200GB. The cameras are the same as last year's release, except the FaceTime HD camera now has body detection as well as face detection. This new iPad will now support new iOS 11 features that were previously only available on the iPad Pro, like marking up screenshots and making handwritten notes. Apple also touted faster wireless that can deliver Wi-Fi speeds up to 866 megabits per second and LTE speeds up to 300 megabits per second. The new iPad also includes Apple SIM, which gives you the convenience of choosing a cellular data plan from carrier partners right on your iPad. When you travel, Apple SIM gives you the flexibility to stay connected in more than 180 countries and regions. They've also released new accessories like the electric blue Apple Pencil case and new colors for cases and bands on their iPhone 10, iPad Pro, and Apple Watch devices. You can order the new iPad right now on Apple's website for delivery on April 2nd or 3rd. The 64GB model is priced at $329, and the 128GB model for $429. The cellular models will cost an extra $130 on top of either Wi-Fi model. You can also buy AppleCare Plus for an extra $69. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more news and updates on the new iPad and more coming soon.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.